Body parts: foot, hand, eye, mouth, nose, head, hair. Where is the neck? Use square to show the head. Use circle to show the body. She is holding a cup of milk.